Hi, my name is Ian Ferguson. I'm the CEO and President of Nature's Way Resources. Y'all know us for our famous leaf mold compost and our quality products, all organic. But that's not what we're here to talk about today. Today I want to take you on a tour of our nursery. Right now we're in the back part of our nursery in our picnic area. Garden clubs, master gardeners, they host events back here where they can have their talks, school tours they finish over here where they can have lunch and review what they learned for the day. We're also back here close to our discount racks. Over here some of our beds and the discount racks right behind them. So right now we're at one of our display gardens using our double ground mulch, and I want to show you some of our products and how they're alive. We got some fungus inside. If you see all this white in there, that's your beneficial mycelium, and that's what you want to see in your products as they decompose. The other reason we use our products so you can see what it looks like when they're on full display and how it'll look like in your own house. As we continue on, you can see some more of our display gardens, and another one of our prize features we like to show you over here is kind of our waterfall. And we have a breakfast nook. You have a very nice place to relax. You got some water sounds, you have some cover so you're not in the sun. Enjoy reading a book, morning coffee, just a place to relax. It's all available. All right, so right now we're under Canopy 2. This is where you can get some of your herbs and vegetables. We sell tomatoes, peppers, and definitely some herbs. You look over here, we got some Mexican oregano, garlic chives. If you look over here to the other side, we got some of our elephant ears if you're looking for that tropical look. And all this is on the way to our greenhouse where we have our house plants and shade loving plants. As you can see, we have some hanging baskets. We have a variety of other plants. We have the 1 gallons, we have quartz. We have some other things behind us, but that's not all you're here for. Just want to remind you, we're here for the gardening experience. We want you to enjoy what you do and have success. So we sell you the quality soils, we sell you great plants that live in the environment, but that's not all we do. Let me show you the rest of the nursery. So one thing we like to do here at Nature's Way is trying to educate the customer on what they're doing. We have signage all over the place like this that shows you host plants and what to expect on them, what type of caterpillar. Other things that we try and do is push signage out on all of our plants. Let's just take the assorted porterweed, for example. At the top right, you have what it's going to be like in its full, when it's a mature plant, its sun requirements, its watering requirements, what zone it lives in, what temperature. So you have all the information that you need to make an educated decision so your plant will actually survive at your house. All right, so when you're buying some of your plants, they start off small in your little 4 inches, and then we want you to see what they look like in our gardens. And not only is it just a display garden, I want to show you how easy it is when you use organic means. Once you get your soil health on point, and all you have to do is mulch and water, and you have a luscious garden. Your main thing is going to be pruning. So follow me in. You're more than welcome to walk back here, get lost with your kids, and have a little adventure. All around the nursery, we have things set up just like some birdhouses and other things that you can see. We want to make this a family experience. I want the whole family to enjoy, so you can bring your kids out here, get their hands dirty, let them experience, see what plants they like. And of course, they can do our scavenger hunts. They can find insects, different flowers, and things like that to help keep them entertained. So here we're back over in our sandbox, which we absolutely love because your kids can come over here and play. They got the Tonka toys, the similar equipment that we have running out there so they can see it in real life. I know I played in my sandbox all the time growing up. I practically lived out there. We also have a chalkboard your kids can come draw on. A little fun thing about this is it was completely made up from scrap wood, so we got to repurpose it, practice what we preach. And then I just want to reiterate that this is a destination place. We want your family to come, enjoy the space we created for y'all, get some healthy plants, get some soil so you have a great gardening experience and you have the most success possible in your landscapes at home.